Vowels. Raise your slates. Yes. A, E, I, O, U. Good. Down your slates. Consonants. Raise your slates. Yes. N, Y, C, G, S, H, R, M, B. These are all consonants. Very good. Now you come forward. Down your slates. Down your slates. You come forward and say, are you consonant or vowel? Go.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Ready? First you start. Come on.
I am N. I am consonant.
Very good.
I am A. I am vowel.
Good.
I am A. I am consonant. I am
Yes.
T. Consonant.
Yes.
I am G. I am vowel.
Good.
I am G. I am consonant.
Right.
I am S. I am consonant. I am I. I am vowel.
Very good.
I am H. I am consonant.
Yes.
I am R. Consonant.
Yes.
I am O. I am vowel.
Yes.
I am M. Consonant. I am B. I am consonant.
Consonant.
I am U. I am vowel.
Good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Once again, vowels. Raise your slates. Only vowels. Only vowels. Yes. A, E, I, O, U. Good. Very good. Next. Down your slates. Now, consonants. Very good. Very good. Down your slates. Vowels. Come here. Come here. Good. Show me your slate. Yes. Very good. You are all vowels. How many vowels are there?
Yes, sir.
How many vowels are there?
5.
5 vowels. What are they?
A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U. So rest of the letters all consonants. Consonants. Very good. Good. Claps.